In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Disk write error, a common issue that can be quite frustrating when all you want is a seamless gaming experience. We'll walk through several steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve this error effectively. So let's dive right in. To begin, open the Steam client on your computer. Once it's open, locate the Steam option found in the top left corner of the application and give it a click. There, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings, which will open a new window displaying various options. Here, you're going to want to click on Downloads located in the sidebar. This action will reveal several download-related functions. Find the Clear Download Cache option and click it. It's important to clear the cache because this can often resolve minor issues that might be causing errors. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. Moving on, our next step involves your computer's control panel. Use your search bar to find and open the control panel. Once it's open, navigate to System and Security, and then proceed to Windows Defender Firewall. Within this window, select the option to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You'll need to scroll and locate Steam from the list of programs. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are selected. This ensures that Steam has the necessary permissions to operate without interruption from the firewall. If Steam isn't on the list, you'll need to change settings by clicking Change Settings and then Allow another app. Navigate to your local disk, typically labeled C, and open Program Files x86. From there, find the Steam folder and locate the Steam application. Add it to your list and ensure again that private and public are both checked. Now, let's head back to Steam. You can do this by launching the application once more, right-click the Steam icon, choose Properties, then head over to the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll want to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. By doing so, you are minimizing potential conflicts with Windows operating settings. Remember to apply your changes and hit OK. Next is a little maintenance on your Steam library. Access the settings again, but this time find Storage. Click on the three dots next to your Steam library folder and choose Repair Library. This step helps correct any discrepancies within your Steam library path. Once the repair is complete, confirm everything by clicking OK. For our final step, open File Explorer on your PC and navigate again to Local Disk, see Program Files x86, and then the Steam folder. Here, locate the Steam app. Right-click and select Properties. Then under the General tab, ensure Read Only is unchecked. Proceed to the Security tab, click Advanced, and confirm that your account has full control permissions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam Disk write error and return to your gaming adventures without further issues. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy